What's up YouTube? It's your boy JestArt here. Today we're gonna go over the JestArt design process. How do I come up with all these super cool, fantastic designs like this one right here? A koala snugging a doobie. That's pretty cool. Inside of a peace sign. Dope. Well, I'm about to show you my design process right now. That being said, I'm gonna get my sketch pad, and things are about to get real sketchy around here because I'm about to do some sketching. What is up YouTube? Today, going through the old gat lady. So I kind of had this idea of doing an old gat lady because who likes old cat ladies? But everybody likes old gat ladies. At least I do. Because I mean, who wouldn't like an old lady with a gat? I mean, that's pretty cool. But anyways, we're going through. I like to start with a little X in the middle, kind of get where I'm gonna put my eyes and stuff, and the nose. Those are important things. And then once I get those, I'll kind of go from there. I'll usually do the head next. I mean, that's the next logical step, I would assume. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at here. So I was having a lot of trouble kind of getting these eyes right, but I mean, we get there eventually. I usually start really rough and then slowly start to add details later, because I mean, a lot of times I'll sit there and I'll spend a bunch of time doing details, and then once I add more of the image I'm drawing, I'll end up wanting to change it. So I've learned it's best to do the entire rough sketch first, kind of get everything placed where you want, and then go back and do details, and that's kind of what I'm gonna end up doing here. So for right now, just working on this the rough part of it, so getting the chair going. Once I got the chair started here, now I'm starting to try to figure out better placement here. So now I'm trying to get where I want the armrest to sit so that they're both even, so that I don't spend a bunch of time drawing super detailed arms and then I have to move them. I'm kind of still learning how to develop my own stuff here, but I'm picking up a lot of tips as I go. So I'm just gonna keep going through here, and so now I decided I didn't want the hand to be on the armrest there because it's an old gat lady, so she's gotta be holding a gat, yo. So I had to modify that a little bit. So now I'm putting a gun in her hand, in the spirit of old gat lady. So once I get this, I'm gonna go into time lapse and then finish the sketch. I'm gonna start adding some details here, and then so right now I'm going in and starting to add some details and stuff like that and make it look a lot more better, you know. But anyway, so I'm gonna go through here and I'm gonna add the rest of these details. Then I'm gonna take a picture of it, import it into the pad, and then from there we're gonna ink it. So I'm just going through here and adding my JestArt special XO eyes that I've been kind of throwing in as part of my style. I thought it'd look cool on these glasses that I got going. You know what though? I think I'm gonna go double X on this one because we're old gat ladies, so nobody's surviving. All kisses, no hugs today. So now that I got the old GAT lady kind of where I want it, I'm gonna start adding some background-ish here. So I figured I was gonna put her on a porch, you know, chilling, and then I was gonna add old GAT lady around it. So that's what I did. I put her on a porch and I wrote old GAT lady around it, and it turned out pretty cool. So now I'm trying to put it in the well, I'm not trying to, I did put it in the iPad, and I'm inking it. I like inking my stuff in the iPad because, you know, you can erase, you could be a little bit more sloppier. It's more better. I really like the iPad for drawing. It's I'm pretty much new to drawing in general, but the iPad has really upped my game. You know, being able to add layers and whatnot is super helpful. I do love some color pencil art. I think I could do better art on with the color pencil, but I'm learning a lot on this iPad, and I think it's gonna get crazy once I really start messing with all these tools. But yeah, here's the color in the old GAT lady now. Pretty soon it's gonna be on a shirt. So this is my favorite part. So this is I like a lot of color, so you always go for a lot of color. And usually what I'll do is I'll start with like a base color, and then I'll add all my shading and how I want it, and then I'll go through and I'll add a big bulk overlay of light, and I'll throw it down to 30% and stuff, and it comes out really good. But here's old GAT lady in a bunch of different colors. If you like it, get it. If you don't, it's cool.